Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Liable. Liable means responsible by law. For example, the supplier of goods or services can become liable for breach of contract in a variety of ways. The supplier of goods or services can become liable for breach of contract in a variety of ways. Synonyms: responsible, legally responsible, accountable.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. A lower court held the defendants liable for damages. Now, repeat after me. A lower court held the defendants liable for damages. The second exempli. The employers were not vicariously liable for his negligence. Now, repeat after me. The employers were not vicariously liable for his negligence. The third exempli. The valuer is not liable unless he is negligent. Now, repeat after me. The valuer is not liable unless he is negligent.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word set has the highest number of definitions in the dictionary. It clocks in at a whopping 464. Can you believe that?
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.